Hi guys, today I will show you a very interesting item. It costs about $2.50 plus $2 for the delivery fee. If you get items less than 10 bucks, there is a $2 delivery fee for every item. This can be different for different regions, but approximately it would be this much. We got one piece from these, and they're actually great. Now, you have to be careful not to break them, of course. They do have an extension in order to trim the hair more or less. You get it with the package, but in general they are very good. They actually have a micro USB connector, and you can use this connector in order to power this up whenever you need to. It works great. You can do your own haircut if you don't need something complicated, and if you have someone to help you, then it becomes actually very useful in the long run, especially for people who work a lot and they do their own haircuts, or for people who just don't have the time, money, and options to go to a hair salon. Tell us what you think, guys. Write a comment. As always, you will find this in the video description, and of course, if you want to support us, you can always get us a coffee on PayPal, or you can trade our work talking on the Pancake Swap Exchange. Thank you for watching.